everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I make my butterfly paintings. And I make these with wall filler, I think it's in English, spackel in Swedish. And it is my absolute favorite thing to make. I just thought I would show you how I make these paintings. So I am using a 40 by 40 centimeter canvas. In this next step, I'm going to use this tape measure and I'm going to measure the width of the canvas. So I'm just going to use the tape measure and also a pen. And I measure this out. I just like to know where the middle is. So the butterfly will be straight in the middle. I just drag the pen across. Now I'm going to use my pencil and I'm going to kind of get an idea for where I want the butterfly, the body of the butterfly to start and end. And then I'm going to start sketching the wings. And now I'm going to sketch the other side of it. Okay, I think I'm done. And now I'm going to start getting started with the beads. And this is the best part. This looks like a total mess, but this is what I use. It is spackle that I have put in these piping bags, and they are in two different sizes. One is a little bit bigger than the other. And I use them to create the pattern. I'm going to start with the middle. After I've done a section like this, I use some water and then I just take some water and then I just dab on them just to make them flat, because then they will look more like beads and less spiky. So now I'm going to keep going with the rest of the butterfly, and I just basically follow the pattern that I've made. So I've done the outer part of it and we're really getting there. I'm just gonna keep going around. Hi again, it's a little bit later in the day now, but I have finished the base for the painting. So you can see here, I've covered it with beads now, and now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry overnight. So I will see you tomorrow. Good morning! Today we are going to finish the painting. The beads have completely dried now overnight, and now we're going to use some sandpaper just to get rid of the edges and stuff. So this is what the painting looks like right now. And I just kind of carefully go over the top. And after I've sanded, I just get the dust off with a brush. So now I've sanded the entire painting and I'm just gonna brush the dust off. And now the next step is to remove the pencil lines. As you can see here, this is an optional step, but I have just taken some water and a little bit of dish soap, like a very tiny amount of dish soap. But as you can see, it has foamed up a little bit. Then I just take this and I apply it to the canvas. And as you can see, the lines start to disappear. It looks like this, and now the lines are gone. So that is what I'm gonna use a better brush for this. And now for this next step, I am going to use some gesso. I use this gesso from Liquitex. Oh no. And then I'm going to apply to the canvas using this brush. So now the gesso has dried, and I'm going to start applying the paint. And then I have a couple of different colors of silver, black, and gray. And for these parts that look like this, that has this like interesting texture to them, I have taken some silver paint on this sponge and I have dabbed it on like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make this butterfly painting. And if you did, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!